We are at the Hotel Hershey in Hershey, Pennsylvania, basking in its radiance. This is the Bank of Maine elevators here, cars 2 and 3 in the main building from 1933. These were originally Schindler 300A, well, not originally, but they were something really old and modernized to 300A in the 1990s, and then just recently, a couple of years back, they were modernized again with ThyssenKrupp equipment. And that's not a fan. The fan is actually off. I don't know what that is. No bell. I think my camera's a little dirty. And that must just be the indicator. That sure doesn't listen to that door sure doesn't listen to that sign. Quiet time. And it's way past 9. These cabs are original from the Schindler days. I don't think these were like these in the days before Schindler got to these. And that ceiling tries desperately to mimic stained glass, because that is not a good representation of it. And I believe these are newer than the ones in the 70s wing, the mods, because of that logo and these buttons. I don't know what the deal is. Yeah, no bell out there. Car number 3, if I didn't already say it. Come on, close. Here we go. And there is an additional elevator here I don't know about. I think it's a service elevator, but I have no idea where it is. Because there's 2 banks of 2 public ones. One bank of 1, that's down there. And then there's 2 in the spa, and I don't know where the other one is for here. Chime's a lot louder on this one. There's people in it.
Hi.
Good evening.
There's nothing in it. So we just have to go through it.
Are you going down?
Yes, thank you.
Don't mind me, I'm just taking a small video.
Oh, that's good. Thank you. We're looking for dirty trays, so let us know if you see anything.
Have a good evening.
You too, thank you.
Yeah. So I have,
We might be seeing them again at some point. A lot slower going down than they are going up. Same with the one on the other side. There, that bell works. Mad buttons, of course. This is elevator 2. Other one was 3, I believe. 1 is the single elevator modernized by Hadfield. And that was also a 300A. Actually, all of them were 300A at some point, except for the one by the circular. And those ones in the spa, those were always... The one in the spa, there's a Series 1 in the spa, and then there's an Impulse in the spa as well. Maybe we won't see those women again, because it looks like they're going down. And these are pretty slow. Oh, there they go. Go up to 4 and end. Machine rooms, I think, in the staff area over there. Schindler logo was there. They took it out. That's a newer button. The atoll buttons. Door better be quiet. See? Quiet time. Oh, this one's open now. Whoops. I guess that guy took this one, not the women who were looking for trays. There it goes. Hope you enjoyed.